friends, I am Avadhoot and today on Quick Math Tricks for Kids, we will learn how to square 2 and 3-digit numbers in your head using the rounding method. Last week we saw how to square a number using the LAN, FIMS, Z, LASK method. That method was great for multiplying a 2-digit number by itself. Today's rounding shortcut is useful for squaring both 2 and 3-digit numbers. So, let's jump right in. The rounding method consists of 5 easy steps. They are: Step 1. Rounding. Step 2. Diagram. Step 3. Multiply. Step 4. Square. And Step 5. Add. Sounds easy enough, right? Now let's see what each of those steps are with an example. Let's begin with a 2-digit number, say 63. So, step 1. We will round 63. Since this is a 2-digit number, we will round it to the nearest multiple of 10. So, 63 is rounded to 60. Now, step 2. After rounding the number, imagine this diagram in your head. 63 is the number that you want to square and 60 is the rounded number. To get 60 from 63, you will subtract 3. Now, we will do the opposite and add the same value 3 to 63 to get the number 66. Also, keep this value 3 in mind because that is the number that we will square in step 4. Now let's do step 3, that is multiply 60 and 66. So 60 into 66 is equal to 3960. Then step 4, we will square 3. 3 square is equal to 9. Finally, we will add 9 to 3960 and voila! The square of 63 is 3969. Wasn't that a piece of cake to do? Shall we do another example to get familiar with the steps? So, here we go. Let's now square 86. Once again, step 1. We will round 86. 86 is rounded to 90. Now step 2. Imagine the diagram in your head. 86 is the number that you want to square and 90 is the rounded number. To get 90 from 86, you will add 4. Now, we will do the opposite and subtract the same value 4 from 86 to get the number 82. Again, keep 4 in mind for squaring in step 4. Next, step 3. We will multiply 90 and 82. So, 90 into 82 is equals to 7380. Then, step 4. We will square 4. 4 square is equal to 16. Finally, we will add 16 to 7380 and the square of 86 is 7396. Squaring couldn't get any easier, could it? Now, let's see how this method works with 3-digit numbers. Let's consider the example 192. So, again, step 1. We will round 192. Since this is a 3-digit number, we will round it to the nearest multiple of 100. When we round the number to the nearest 100, it will give us a number with 2 zeros, which will make the multiplication step easy. So, 192 is rounded to 200. Now step 2. Again imagine the diagram in your head. So 192 is the number that you want to square and 200 is the rounded number. To get 200 from 192, you will add 8. Now we will do the opposite and subtract 8 from 192 to get the number 184. Keep this value 8 in mind because that is the number that we will square in step 4. Next step 3. We will multiply 184 and 200. Now don't get scared by the 2 3-digit numbers that you need to multiply. All you need to do is to multiply 184 into 2 and then add 2 friendly zeros at the end of the product. So 200 into 184 is equal to 36800. Then step 4. We will square 8. 8 square is equal to 64. Finally, we will add 64 and 36800 and we get the square of 192 as 36,864. Let's take one final example for the day. 314 square. So, once again, round 314 to the nearest 100, which is equal to 300. Now, imagine the diagram in your head. So, 314 is the number that you want to square and 300 is the rounded number. To get 300 from 314, you will subtract 14. Next, do the opposite and add 14 to 314 to get the number 328. Keep 14 in mind because we will square it in step 4. Next, step 3. Multiply 328 and 300. This is equal to 98400. Then step 4. Square 14. 14 square is equal to 196. Finally, add 196 to 98400 and we get the square of 314 as 98,596. Wow! I bet you never thought squaring 3-digit numbers in your head could be so easy. Here is a tip for you. If you know 14 square by heart, then that's great. Otherwise, you can use either the rounding method or the LearnFIM Z-LASK method to compute it. You can even apply the window or the doubling halving tricks to find the answer. Use whichever method you are comfortable with. So, friends, you have now learnt 2 tricks to square numbers. Let me know which one you prefer in the comment section and I will tell you which one I like to use often. And yes guys, if you found these squaring shortcuts useful, do give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my new quick math tricks. See you in the next video. Bye bye.